not going anywhere without a fishing pole. Y'all know that. Let me get him a treat. I got snacks. And get a chair. A weeble, but Scooby! Look what I got. Alright, we out of here. I gotta stop me some drinks. Alright, we're at the dove field. We drove all over the place trying to find doves, and there weren't any, and then all of a sudden they were all right here. So we're gonna see if we can't walk over there and shoot some. Oops. Hey, look behind you. There's literally hundreds of them over there. Look at them up in the tree. Here they come. So, it is windy out here today, and the flocks are kind of jumping all over the place, but somebody else is shooting them over there. This is a peanut field, and so they grew peanuts and then they harvested them, and there's a ton of peanuts left over. Look at them all. And those birds are eating these peanuts. Just picking through them. Of course, there's deer tracks. There's deer out here eating the peanuts. I got Timmy back there on my tailgate hanging out, and my dog. And we're just waiting for the birds to fly. You see these gusts? It's like 15-mile-an-hour gusts or more. Maybe when these birds start flying, they'll come by here and get a shot off. We shall see. Stay tuned. One went down out here somewhere. Shouldn't be too hard to find, but they are the same color as the sand, so it's hard to know where they are. It's a big field. Let's go find them. Here he is, right here. All right, cool. All right, we got doves on the board, and I'm not the best shot, so you can laugh, you can leave comments. How many shots it take to kill one bird? I don't know, but I had some shells in my safe that were getting old, so that's what we're shooting. And I'm a little rusty. I haven't been bird shooting in a long time. But I got 2 down. 2 down. There's Timmy. I think he got 1 or 2 also. Well, I think I got 3 birds and I only shot about 1,100 times. No, I'm kidding. I think I've shot about 12 times. But they are moving fast today. We got a strong wind. See the moss? That moss is just blowing straight back. Here comes one. Here comes 2. I don't know how many birds they got, but they did shoot a few times. They probably got a couple. It is blowing today. Pretty windy. That's my homies over there in the trucks. There's some big oak trees. Then you got the peanut field that's brown. And you got the woods line over there on the horizon. That's they're in that little green strip of grass. And in that peanut field on the edge, that's kind of where most of them are at. And then every now and then they'll jump up and get confused and fly over this way. That's how I've been getting them. Smoked him! Boy, them feathers are flying. A pretty good shot. What is this? Here's one I shot earlier. I forgot that I shot. Found the one before that I lost. I got both birds, so I think I'm up to 7, 8. And yes, they are pretty good. I like them. I brine them in like a salty marinade, and then I rinse it a little bit, and then I cook them. It takes the gamey flavor out and makes them really nice. Sun going down, but I got this big oak tree which the camera is stuck to give me some shade. So even though the birds are flying towards me, I have protection from the sunshine shining in my face. And they do like to fly upwind into this tree, so it's actually a good spot for that. Thank you. Boys were shooting at that bird and turned him towards me, and he came looking for the safety of this tree, and I popped out behind it and got him. So I'm gonna go walk out here and grab him. All right, I'm back. Had to go get my birds. The action continues. We got another probably hour of daylight. Sun's going down quick and it is cloudy and windy. So we'll see if we can keep hunting. Got some birds there, don't we?
There you go. How many more you got?
I got like one or two, a couple. I got them.
Hey, and don't forget,
Yeah,
Scooby snack.
Scooby snack, he won't eat that. He's scared. He's scared of the pops. Oh, look at this thing. Bam.
Oh, that's a pretty ring neck.
Yeah, ring neck. That's a bonus bird.
Yeah, that's what
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's pretty good.
That's a limit for one person.
Well, there's 2 of us, so we got plenty of shooting to do. We got about, what, 40 minutes of daylight left. The sun's going down. We're going to another field, so hang tight. I'll post up in the new spot, but I haven't seen any birds over here, and it's getting dark. So I'm going to try this spot for a few more minutes. Then I'm thinking I'm going to hang it up. All right, guys, we're back from the field. We had a great hunt, and I think we totaled, I got 15 birds, and the boys got, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 themselves. So we have enough for a fry, so that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna have a cookout tomorrow. And I think they got a limit from last week as well. So we have enough birds to do. So basically all we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut the wing off, cut the wing on each side. At the joint, I can feel it right there. That one at that joint. Now you don't have to do this, but this is what I was taught. Pull the breast apart. The feathers, that is. Pull the breast feathers off like that. Lots of down feathers in here. And then you just take your thumb and stick it in the little cavity here and you lift it up, and it kind of just basically tears apart. And that's the meat there. Of course, this one has a piece of shot went through the middle of it. No big deal. So this one you just reach in with your thumb, pull it out. And then you got a breast meat. In order to make our duck bites, we need some materials, and we are going to the grocery store.
Your total is $99.06. Please select your payment method. Please.
right, I think our bacon's about ready. What do you think? It look good? Smell good, don't it? He's ready for snack. You should just take a breast, take a piece of bacon, take a jalapeno. This is gonna be messy. Somebody lost their pineapple. Wasn't me. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. And you notice my grill isn't super hot. It's maybe just sort of hot. They're looking good. Pretty tender. Oh, I lost my pineapple. Well, that was a spare pineapple, so all is good. That smells good. I don't know if you can smell it, probably not. I'll let them sit just another couple minutes. All right, they're juicy, they're hot. Uh-oh, uh-oh, no. I had a twofer right there. Last but not least, and just like that, they are off the grill. Time to eat. Oh, it smells so good. If you guys could smell this, I wish you could smell it. Anyway, so there you have it. That's a grilled dove breast with jalapeno, bacon, pineapple, and cream cheese. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is my first catch, clean, and cook. Let me know if you want me to do another one. I got some other recipes in mind. And if you have a recipe you want me to try, shoot it to me. Thanks, guys. See ya.